What is up, y'all? This is Adrian and the boys coming out with episode 2, and this time we're going to Dogtown Coffee in Santa Monica. We had a pretty early call time this day. We met up at around 9 or 10 a.m. just so that we could start packing our cars so that we can get our equipment to Dogtown Coffee, which wasn't too far from Matt's house. And so once we were done, we headed inside just to hang out, kick it, kill a little bit of time, and actually wait for one more person. And finally, Kyle had arrived. Thankfully, he made it safe. Everybody was here and present and ready to go. And after we did some goofing around at Matt's house, it was time to head over to Dogtown Coffee. Now, if you've never been, highly recommend it. The drinks were pretty good if you're a huge coffee person, and the atmosphere and the ambience was really dope. So if you're in the area, we highly suggest you check it out. And to end off this video on a good note, we ended off the set with everyone's favorite Christmas song. And so we hope you enjoyed the rest of the video, and here are some of the action shots that were taken by our very own Anthony Gonzalez. And so enjoy the rest of the video. We hope we catch you at the next one. Peace. I don't want